Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jo and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing a simple spring makeup look for you today, and this is just the look and this is how it turned out. It's very like reddish, orangish, and like yellow, very nice, glowy type of look. Very easy, very basic and simple. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy the video and just keep watching for more. Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna just be doing a simple, easy spring makeup look for you all. First thing I'll be doing is using my primer by Rimmel London, you know, the same basic old primer I always use. And next I'll be using the Fenty foundation 470, and then I'm just gonna get one full pump per like each side of my face. And I'm just gonna leave it like that with super light coverage because we want to look nice and like natural and glowy for the spring look. We don't want to look too like made up or whatever. Next thing I'll be using is concealer, the LA Pro Girl concealers. And I'm going to use this just flat concealer brush to blend out my concealer under my eye. And we're going to be using this flawless concealer brush to just this over brush to blend out the kind of contour concealer that I have. And I'm just going to use my e.l.f. brow pomade and do my eyebrows. Now that my eyebrows all done, we're going to get the LA Pro Girl concealer, the lighter one that I used earlier before, to just carve out my eyebrow. We're just gonna blend out the concealer with the same flawless concealer brush I used earlier. Now I'll be taking, my black radiance powder that I always use to set my eyelids and just set the rest of my face. So today I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is one of my favorite palettes, one of my only palettes. This orange color right here for my lid. Now I'm gonna take this red-ish right here, hold up, this like kind of reddish orange, and put that on top of the orange. So now I'm going to use this orange, like paler orange up here, as like a crease color. And now to blend it all like out, I'm going to use this pale yellow up here just to blend it all the way out. I like to dust out any of like the just the powder that got on my face. We're just gonna, from the eyeshadow, we're just gonna wipe it all off. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara, the Lash Sensational Curve 2. I'm gonna stamp the red that we used before underneath my my lower lid. delicately put some mascara on the lower lash line. I'm gonna get some blush, just old blush that I've had for like years. And I'm just gonna dust it like that. And then dust it very lightly onto my cheeks. Not a lot, just the tiniest blush. Then I'm gonna get some highlight, because what would this makeup look be without highlight? And just get this color from my Academy of Color palette, as you guys all know. And just go right there. And we're gonna use that highlight color in my inner corner, inner tear duct. And then under my brow bone, very lightly. And of course on my nose. My e.l.f. makeup mist and set spray, and just spray that on my face. I'm gonna get my Fenty gloss in the Fenty Glow, in color Fenty Glow, and just put that on my lips. Okay guys, that's it for today's makeup video. I hope you all enjoyed that. I really liked filming this. This is actually something I would do day to day if I did makeup every day, because look at it, like I have makeup on, but it's very like simple and minimal, and honestly with lots of practice this can take like 15 minutes give or take just to do it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, turn on your post bell notifications so you can get a notification every time I upload. See you next time. Bye.
Give it to them, give it to them, give it to them,